Okay, we've made some adjustments. We, put some glue on our here to dry so to keep that from turning, and if it gets loose. We've moved our dowels from here back to here to see if that's going to work. See, it was rubbing up against our block there before. There, now we got good play in the mouth. We took the mouth down on the side. So now the mouth's going to work properly. So what we're going to do next is just to give it a final once over sanding with 120 grit sandpaper, and then can put the ears and our posts on, and we'll be done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it.